Okay, guys, I haven't done this in a little bit, but I'm back at Construct 2 just because, while I am continually working on my Construct 3 project, hold on, let me pull that up. I still have both basically the same levels. One is more realistic and one is more cartoonish that I'm going to be moving over to not Construct, like Congregate and all that stuff. I'm going to just like port a game over to Android using Construct 2, but I'm also going to be doing the exact same thing in GDevelop. Confirm your email. I'll do it later. So using GDevelop, because now I've done a couple of demos and I actually really like it. So I'm going to publish a game in GDevelop and Construct 2 at the same time. So I'll be releasing basically copy-paste videos for the same thing because I want to see how it is working with both the same engines, because I know they're exact same thing, but usually there's like a little differences. Right now in Construct 2, I have the professional version, and I'm just making my game. So I have my studio, the code for that, my menu. That'll be. I'm gonna fix that up. I'm just kind of been doing this around working in the holidays and getting sick. So yay. And then I'll be doing the exact same thing over on, what do you call it? Thoughtful. So I've been working on some stuff. Oh, what was it doing? Opening portal, importing projects. Okay, I accidentally clicked on something. Dude, home. And let's do this one. And then doing it over here, over in CopperCube. Since the whole game engine scene is it's kind of a mess right now, and then doing the exact same thing over in CopperCube. It's basically kind of first level is done. We'll just do like 3 levels until the intro level, release it episodically. But I can release some tutorial videos and some project videos and all that stuff and see how that goes. And then put it on Android and some HTML gaming sites and see how that goes. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So quickly right now, I just had the studio. Okay, so GDevelop is going to get more fleshed out tutorial process because I actually have not done a full-fledged like series on that. But in Construct 2, I have. So basically, it's my studio. This might be grayed out, so I don't have anybody steal this stuff. And it will just be on start of layout system. Wait 5 seconds. Go to menu 2. So it's going to be. You can have it go to the next scene. You can have it go to next layout, or you can specifically choose. I like to specifically choose. And then it goes to layout 2. In which case it's going to be the menu. And that's going to be on left button clicked. The button being play, sprite 4. Please label everything. I'm going to be doing that this week. So sprite 4 will be the play button. And it will be changed to an actual play button. It says wait 2 seconds. And then go to layout 1. And I may fade in and fade out the screen. And then we head out to layout 1, which is level 1. Right now it's just basically a test level where I'm dealing with some water. And then our event sheet for that. And right now I don't have anything, especially for the event sheet. The only thing that I would consider code is that the player does have his 8 direction and all that stuff set up. So if we run this in HTML format, we can have it to where he's just going to be rotating around. And I'm actually going to have it to where he rotates to the mouse. Right now I just wanted to have movement so I can test GPU and CPU usage in the debug layout, and then just to see how my player works. And then I'm going to be rendering his frames, and there's some software I was looking into that I may pick up this holiday season, but that render 3D models into GIFs or animated frames. But I may just render, record some video off of Blender. So take Blender, render the frames, and then in like GameMaker or like a converter, convert from video to GIF, and then move that into here. It's at 100% a professional setup, but it works for me for the 720p quality that I'm going for. Again, you're going to be looking at this on your computer and your phone screen. It's not a big deal. 720p, like, entry HD, it's going to be totally fine. And then what we can do is we could up-res and low-res the scene as we need it, depending on how taxing it gets on your GPU, especially for mobile devices, because we'll be moving from Adreno GPUs, which is on Snapdragon CPUs, all the way to like the Pixel has its own CPU and GPU setup. The iPhone has its own CPU and GPU setup, and then like Mali, so your lower end what we call like flash in the pan. So they're really great, and then they don't have a whole lot of support on the other end, so where they just work across the board without having a whole lot of issue. And then we'll switch that over to game developer and see how it works with her. Because I've never published a game off here or done a series on this, so that's what we're gonna do. So hopefully you guys are going to enjoy it. Expect a video or two every single week, depending on when I have time around the holidays and around my hectic life. But this is what I'm going to be doing, so hopefully I'll have something produced and out episodically. The first episode of Alien Infestation in by Christmas or New Year's. So, all right, later, guys.